happy star? Show me. How many? Oh my God! You have 2! I'm so happy for you! Wow! Show me your damit. Show me your damit. Wow! It's so pretty.
Mama, I get my things.
Show me your happy star. Show me. Show me.
Huh.
Wow! Oh!
My
Your
towel!
towel. I guess we need to wash this because it's dirty na.
Parang walang ginawang kasalanan niya.
So what did you do at school?
Go.
What happened?
Inaway niya yung teacher niya.
Bakit inaway mo teacher mo?
I'm friend all my classmates.
Why did you have your lucky star? Kasi inaway mo teacher mo?
Nope.
Bakit daw sobrang magagalitin yan?
Dalawa happy star mo.
And
Bad yan, Nales, okay?
Talaga